Don't tell me you still don't know how to do your makeup in 2026. If you have ever said, I don't know how to do my makeup, then this video is for you. Hey loves, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're joining for the first time. My name is Florence Amachundi, creative director of Chundibeauty. I'm a makeup artist and a YouTuber based in Abuja, Nigeria. And I welcome you all to episode 2 of how to do your own makeup series. But before we continue this soft glam journey, if you haven't watched episode 1 yet, please pause this video and go catch up, because we are building this glam step by step so you don't miss any important makeup steps. For those that have watched episode 1, let's continue, shall we? So in today's episode, we are doing foundation matching, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Alright loves, first thing first, you need to do a proper skin prep before applying foundation, which I've done in my previous video. This is a continuation, which is episode 2. So if you haven't watched episode 1, I will suggest you go watch it now. Choosing the right foundation shade is the key to natural looking makeup. The foundation I'm using is the V Beauty foundation in the shade Butterscotch and Kenya. I'm mixing the two foundations to get my exact shade. I'm gonna go into damping my beauty blender. That means I need to get it wet. You need to squeeze it to let the water in until it doubles in size, then squeeze out the excess water. You can also squeeze it a few times under running water. Grab a tissue and press your beauty blender to remove the extra water. It should feel damp, not wet, and when you squeeze it, no water should drip out. Now grab your damp beauty blender, take a little foundation, apply it to your face gently, and when blending, bounce it over your face. Don't drag or swap the foundation across your skin. Doing that can mess up your skin prep underneath and make your base look cakey. Always match your foundation to your jawline or neck for the best blend. Apply foundation evenly across your face, focusing more on areas that need coverage, then blend properly for a smooth skin-like finish. If you have watched up to this point and you have gained value so far and haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button, like this video. In that way, YouTube can recommend this video for others to watch. And also drop a comment in the comment section below. Let's know your thoughts about this video, and lastly, share with your family and friends. This might help someone who don't know how to do their makeup. Episode 3 will be dropping soon. Stay tuned. This foundation gives a flawless finish without feeling heavy or cakey. It's lightweight, breathable, and blends easily, leaving your skin looking smooth, soft, matte, and beautiful. Look at how soft and flawless it's looking on the skin. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.